Hi, I'm working on this table that I'm transforming, and I thought on this table, instead of doing a shabby chic with distressed wood or staining it, I'm going to do a crackle effect, which I think will add nicely to the character of this table. The top will be stained, but I wanted to show you how I create a crackle effect.
So the first step in the process is to apply glue to the wood. Now you can use Elmer's glue, you can use wood glue, you can even use PVA glue. And the trick is to spread it evenly, not too much. Depending on how much you put on is how big the cracks in the crackle will be. A heavier layer would produce bigger cracks, while a thinner layer produces more fine cracks to it. So as I said, just lay it on smoothly and evenly. Once you've laid on what you need, you want to wait. I usually wait about 5 minutes for it to get tacky. You don't want to wait too long, because if it dries and you paint it, you won't get the crackle effect. So once the glue is dry to a tacky finish, you can start painting. You don't want to put too much paint on. You don't want to go over too often over the areas. You just want to keep a consistent, nice thin layer of paint. And what happens when the paint starts to dry, the latex, I'm using latex paint here, but you could use chalk paint, you could use different finishes, eggshell, semi-gloss, or what have you. But once the paint starts to dry over the glue, it shrinks, and the glue causes it to crack. And that's how you get your crackle effect. It's very effective for getting an old look to a piece of furniture that might be fairly new, and to give it that old farmhouse weathered look. And here you have it. This is your crackle finish. You see in some spots it's wider, some spots it's narrower. Also had some bare spots. I want it to look a little distressed as well as crackled. It'll look nice when I put the stain top on there, which I'll show you when it's complete.